Local news for Wednesday the 2nd of October. I'm Brent Gare. Two iwi groups have joined the committee overseeing Wellington Water, the joint council-owned organisation responsible for drinking, storm and wastewater management for Metropolitan Wellington and South Wairarapa. Ngāti Toa and Taranaki Whanui will now each have a seat on the Wellington Water Committee, which also comprises a single member of each shareholding council. NZEI Te Roa has honoured scholarships and award recipients as part of its annual conference in Rotorua. Nellie Kendall Carpenter from Carterton Kindergarten has been awarded a scholarship for an investigation into how waste materials can be resourced or better used for ECE centres. Up to 10 scholarships of $6,000 may be awarded annually. A new privately funded medical centre set for Greytown called Five Rivers is set to be built next year. And they've announced they're welcoming Bulcott Hospital, joining Compass Health on board and providing a variety of medical services for people. Bulcott Hospital's Chief Executive, Sarah Boyes, is excited to be involved in Five Rivers and says her team, including nurses, doctors and surgeons, are all excited to be providing a variety of services. And in sport, tomorrow night we'll see the start of the Summer Biathlon Series with the base at Henley Lake at the Men's Shed. The popular series will run through until Christmas and restart in January. And you can sign up and meet up from around 5:45 tomorrow night. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.